Hi and welcome. Today I'm going to do percentage of completion problem. This percentage of completion problem will be based on costs, not milestone completion dates, but cost estimated to be completed for the project. So here if we read our scenario, on June 15, 2011, Bob the builder entered into a long-term contract to build a community center for $400 million. The expected completion date is April 2013. The costs and estimates are below. So we have the costs incurred each year, and then we have the estimated cost to complete. So I have a little, right down here, I have a little template set up that we can work on. First of all, I've popped in the contract price. That will not change. So we have $400 million is the contract price for each year. Next, we want to talk about costs incurred to date. It's very important that we include all the costs to date. So in 2011, it would be 50, but in 2012, it wouldn't be just the 70, but also the 50 that we incurred, that would be millions, 50 million that we incurred in 2011. So 2012 would be 50 plus 70 to be costs incurred to date. The dates included from 2011 on forward. And then in 2013, the cost to complete was 30 million. We had already incurred 70 and 50 million, or 120 million. So we're going to say the 30 million for 2013 plus the prior costs from 2011 and 2012. The estimated cost to complete, we're just going to bring down. We think in 2011 that it'll cost us $90 million to finish the project. In 2012, we think it'll cost us $40 million to finish the project. In 2013, the project should be finished, so we should not estimate any more cost to finish the project. Next, we have total estimated cost, or in 2013, this will be our actual cost. So we're going to add our costs incurred to date plus what we think it will cost us to finish to get our total estimated cost. So we're going to say 50 plus 90. Oh, I think I have a little minus sign in there. 50 plus 90 is going to give us 140. I can copy that formula over because we're going to do the same thing in 2011 and 2012. We're going to take our costs incurred plus what we think is going to cost us to finish, and down here for our total estimated costs. You can see here in 2013 that we had an actual cost of $150 million. That is how much it cost us to complete the project. So next we want to talk about our percentage complete. So we have to think about what percentage of this project did we finish. We think it's going to cost us $140 million to finish, and we incurred costs of $50. So our percentage complete would be the cost incurred to date divided by the total cost of the project. So here you see I have 0.357143. I'm going to make it into a nice percentage so that we can see it here. We'll do the same thing for 2012. We'll say that we incurred costs of $120 and $120 million, and we believe that the total estimated cost is $160 million. So now we're at 75% complete. So here we have 36% done, now we have 75% done. And if we finish this out to 2013, our costs were $150, and we know now at the end of the project that our total costs were $150. That should give us 1, or when I give you a percentage, 100%. So now we have to say what gross profit should be recognized in each of these years, 2011, 2012, and 2013. Well, we can recognize 36% of the contract price, because this is gross profit, not revenue. We just multiply it times the contract price. And we'll make this into dollars and cents. Get rid of that there, 142 million. 0.86 because it's in millions. And we can copy that over to 2012, but recognize that this is going to be 75%, almost the entire thing in the contract price. But we can't recognize the 142 that we recognized in the prior year. So I'm going to come up here into the formula, and I am going to subtract, alter the formula, what we already recorded as profit. So in 2011, we recorded 142.86 as profit, so I'm going to subtract that out. And now we're going to do the same thing. We can copy this formula over to 2013, and we're going to have to alter it again because we're taking the 100% times the contract price, but we have to subtract out the 157 and also the 142.86. So let me add that to the formula here. I'm going to subtract out the other year because that wasn't in our formula. And now, just as a double check, I'm going to sum these up. These should sum up to about 400 million, and they do, so that we know that we calculated it correctly. We can double check. Since it's gross profit, we will recognize the entire contract price by the end of the contract. I hope this aids in your understanding of how to complete percentage of completion problems. Have a great day.